Well, is yoga guru Ramdev miffed with BJP's PM candidate Narendra Modi? Well, after his dig at Modi terming him to be in a hurry to be the Prime Minister, Ramdev issued a denial. Ramdev, who shared stage with BJP's Nitin Gadkari, said that the BJP leader is clean and a straight man. In fact, Ramdev also reportedly expressed displeasure over the BJP giving tickets to tainted candidates like B.S. Yediyurappa and B. Sri Ramalu. But a day after the reported statement, Ramdev came out with a clarification. Hear what Ramdev originally said and his subsequent clarification.
दरअसल जीत का अति उत्साह तो है, मुझे लगता है उस पर और संयम बरतने की जरूरत है।
मोदी जी का जो इतना विराट व्यक्तित्व है उसके ऊपर चोट करने के लिए, उनकी बढ़ती हुई लोकप्रियता पर प्रहार करने के लिए यह इस तरह का मेरी तरफ से ये बयान चलाया गया, अखबारों में छापा गया कि बाबा जी ने ये कहा कि मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनने की जल्दबाजी। तो मेरे नाम से ऐसा चलाना मैं समझता हूं बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। और जिस टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया अखबार ने ये छापा है उसको इसका स्पष्टीकरण छापना चाहिए।
There are more who are targeting Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi has once again trained his guns on the BJP's prime ministerial hopeful Narendra Modi. In an interview to Press Trust of India, Rahul said that the special investigation team's report on the 2002 riots, which cleared Modi of blame, has been questioned by many legal scholars. He added that claims of a clean chit to Modi were politically expedient for the BJP but also premature. And here's how the BJP has responded to that.
What Rahul Gandhi has said, and those who are, and talking about credible people, I really don't know who are these credible people, but they may be the same credible people who gave Congress and their leadership clean chit in 1984 riots. So I think he must name it, but Rahul Gandhi at the same time is advised, and his party is advised, that they should start respecting the constitution, the Supreme Court monitored SIT, and the court giving a clean chit. Now beyond that, there's nothing else. But yes, Rahul Gandhi is desperate. He wants to polarize the elections on communal lines, and BJP and under Narendra Modi and NDA also wants to polarize, but not in the name of communalism, but in the name of development.